Hello everybody, this is Sarahscopic and you're watching another episode of Kathy Rain, where Met Her End is now being placed in red flowers that I thought were endangered and now I'm kind of creeped out. Oh joy. Message.
Met Her End. Someone left this message here for me.
I actually assumed at first it was about Lily, but that wouldn't make any sense. Should I be smelling them? That seems like a bad idea.
Intense. Oh, they're making me a bit dizzy.
Yeah, it's that red supposed... Go away, please.
Greetings.
Go away. What do you want?
You again.
Me again.
You better have some answers, Crimson One.
All in due time. Your friend is being claimed by the darkness. She's standing on the brink of the abyss as we
Can we get her
speak.
out of that, please?
Are you talking about Eileen?
Yes. If you wish to save her, you must descend.
Sorry, I was just adjusting the camera.
Why? What is down there?
The tribulation, the reflection of the soul. We call it the mending.
Yeah?
Who's we?
My kind, servants of the old god.
Yeah?
To what end do you serve this god? What does your kind actually want?
All we want is for you to take your medicine, Kathy. For you to grow and be happy.
What?
If that's the case, why were all those people hurt? Lily, Jimmy, Grandpa?
What medicine?
You misunderstand. What one wants and what one is able to do are two different things. Happiness is not a one-way street. It cannot be given, only earned. Your grandfather understood that. He embraced it.
I'm so confused.
Wait, you saw Grandpa?
Oh, yes. Right here. He was a tortured soul, desperate for some kind of meaning after losing the light of his life. You. He sought the power below, the vessel of redemption.
What?
But Grandpa didn't make it. He failed. How could I succeed when he wasn't able
Okay,
to?
I keep thinking this whole game is like, this is all supposed to be kind of metaphor and just people going crazy, but I guess it's real. Okay, so Kathy is taking this seriously, so therefore I need to take this seriously. Okay, so there's some journey that he went on, some weird mystical journey because he felt guilty, and now I have to take it.
He was so much stronger than me, so much braver.
Is that what you believe? Perhaps you don't know him as well as you think.
But why me? Why are you making me do this?
Because you so desperately need it, Kathy. You're haunted by your past, by all these painful memories long forgotten. They follow you like a shadow, pulling you down. They taint your every thought, impulse, and deep desire.
This is some kind of weird personal journey,
It is
okay?
foul to us.
So they're trying to help me out because Kathy's very tainted and sad.
This is crazy. I could just walk away, get on my bike and drive, forget I was ever here.
Yeah, but you won't.
There's nothing stopping you.
Eileen,
Yeah, I have to do it for Eileen.
I can't leave her like that.
Okay.
I see now why he speaks so highly of you.
He? Do you mean Grandpa? What the heck? Down the rabbit hole. Okay, where am I? Am I in hell? Oh, what doohickey did I get down here?
Surreal. It looks like Grandma's, but different.
Yeah. That's one way to put it.
Where'd all my things go? My pockets are empty.
You went to hell, dear. No, you can't use anything here. This is all in your mind. Static. That's one way to put it. You are strangely okay with all this? Check the lamp.
There was a pen hidden inside.
Oh, jeez. What the heck? Oh good, I get to stab things with it. Let's look at the book. What's in the book? What? Why are our names the only ones here? There should be other names, shouldn't there? Okay, I guess I'm signing now. Don't think I should, but that's fine. Probably a bad idea.
What the?
I shouldn't have done that.
You're not supposed to be here.
Great.
Who are you?
Yeah,
You look
you're
just
the
like
dark
me.
evil twin.
I should ask you the same thing, imposter. Do you like what we did to
What?
Mom? Don't you just want to kill her sometimes?
Oh, jeez.
I know I do. You don't know anything, do you?
No.
Now, I'd love to stay and chat, doppelganger, but I have more important things to do. Ta-ta.
Okay. What the crap? She just left me. Ah. I ain't going in there yet. Let's look at the chain door.
There are 2 padlocks here. One requires a key, the other is a combination lock.
Well, maybe I can just code is near. Okay. I'm gonna have to, it's a 4-digit code. Let's... How many times do I have to tell you? You're in hell, dear. Phone. Let's see what's on the phone. Good. Let's look at the book again. The date is near. Maybe it's the dates? It's either 1995 or like 2909 or something, or 0929, something like that. I'm just trying the year first. Nope. Okay, the other was 0929. 09. Oops. 29. Or maybe it's 2909. Nope. Okay. I thought it made a lot of perfect sense. Okay, well, screw you. Let's see, maybe I can go in the elevator? Maybe I can't open this yet? Let's see if I can write it. I'm already on floor 1. Good to know. Okay, what's on floor 2? Yay! Elevators, so much fun. Okay, this is disgusting. A skull. Yeah. Look. Something that makes you uneasy. How about the fact that gear shouldn't be working like that outside of a... There's a crime scene tape everywhere. Or not crime, it's crime scene like chalk lines, you know what I mean? Like everywhere. Oh. That probably breaks. Is this door open? It does! Grand. What the heck?
Oh my god. Mom? You're here?
Why is Mom here? Okay, there's a bloody wall. Let's rip it off. Okay, well I have a pen. Can I have the pen to get her on... Okay, not sharp enough. Is it sharp enough for this? Apparently yes.
There was a
not sharp enough to
scalpel
cut
hidden
that.
inside the wall.
So I just had to use
Got it.
one sharp object to get another sharp object? This doesn't seem to make a lot of sense. That's fine. I got it. This is so creepy. I don't like this.
There you go, Mom. Are you okay? No!
What? No.
I had no choice. I had to put you away. You started hurting yourself. You started hurting me.
I
forgive you.
Maybe I should have used the pen instead. Jeez. I just reached for the scalpel. It's the first thing I saw.
Oh, God. Get me out of this place.
The refrigerator. What? Hopes in jar and inkier heart. Oh, yeah, this is the...
Refrigerator magnets in the shape of Scrabble tiles. The score values are off, though. I remember because the game I played with E the other day. Hopes in jar, an inkier heart. Rule me nemesis. Not sure what to make of it all.
Oh. I thought I was supposed to rearrange them, but I guess not. Oh, wait a second.
There's a weird scarab thing in there. Got it.
Okay, what's that? A heart scarab. That's not cool. I don't like this at all. Okay. Let's look at this. Now, that one code said near. Okay, yeah. It's near, so maybe I have to use these numbers. So it's 3, 2, 1, 5. Let's try that, maybe. 3, 2, 1, 5. Okay, let's exit. Let's get out of here. Get out of here! Get out of here! So 3, 2, 1, 5. Was that there before? No, it was not. I don't remember it being there before. Hi, baby girl. Living the life over here in Mexico. I have a new family now, and I've forgotten all about you. I don't regret leaving you for a second since your mom was... Oh, jeez. This is obviously not real. The sequel. This is just, like, her fear, right? Like, it's like her fear if this is what her dad feels. Oh. What the?
You killed Mom.
No!
That wasn't Mom. It was some kind of monster. We're all monsters to you, aren't we? Kill her, Dad. No, it
okay,
can't be.
Your dad looks creepy.
Who's your daddy now, bitch?
What the heck? She just goes in there?
Stay away from me.
Oh, maybe if I can get him to walk over that, he will fall and not be... Shoot. I thought that would work. Obviously not what was supposed to be done. Oh, geez, that scared me. That cabbage moves us. Alright, well, at least my first inclination was correct.
I've been angry with you for as long as I can remember. I've hated you, more than words can say. I will never forgive you, Dad, but I'm done being angry. I'm done with letting you have an impact on my life.
Hello, daughter. I should have done this a long time ago. There are so many things I wish to say to you. You have 2 brothers and a sister here. They always ask about you, their big sister in the USA. Leaving you is the biggest mistake I ever made. Please forgive me. I don't know if this is real. It could also just be what she wants to hear. Alright, guys. 3215, was that code? 3215? I hope I got that right. I don't want to go back there. Let's see if that's correct. Oh, he's not down here, so... Holes lead to nowhere. That's good. I did it! Sweet! code was literally near. Alright, needs a key. Let's go back. Time to ride that elevator, ride that I'm actually gonna go be creepy and see what happens if I go back in the room where my dead mother and doppelganger are. It's probably just gonna show me that, oh no, she's not there! Oop-a-doop-a-doop-a-doop. But, you know. But, you know. Anything here for use? Nope, it just... she's gone now. Yep. Boop-a-doop-a-doop. Creepy, creepy, creepy. Yay, yay, yay. Alright, let's get out of here. Okay. Time to go to floor 3. Floor 3. Oh, jeez. Yikes. Hey, I recognize this room. Everything about this makes me uneasy. Dude, those were pictures. That's the thing. She's like, this looks like a static on the pictures. It's like a TV. They're supposed to be paintings. That's static. This ain't Harry Potter. Broken link. Casket. Thank you, Mr. Obvious. Okay, you need to fix it. Well, will a heart scab fix it? Yeah, I don't think so either, but I'm just using everything. Okay. Cool. Anything else I'm missing? Nope. I'm supposed to crack this open somehow. Okay, so I'm obviously supposed to crack this open somehow. Why'd you walk all the way over there to tell me that? That seemed very unnecessary. And just making sure that I didn't miss anything. I don't either, I'm just trying everything. Okay. Okay, I am not ready for this room yet, so I need to connect the chains somehow. But how? I feel like I've seen everything there is to see. Alright, let's go back down to floor 1, I guess. Okay, what am I missing? Oh, lock and chain. Here we go.
This padlock might be useful.
Pick it up.
I don't think I need...
Alright, apparently we don't need to use it. I disagree. I think there's always a reason and an occasion to always have a chain on you. But maybe that's just me talking. I don't know. Maybe I'm just weird that way. Don't answer that question. Moving on. Alright. Use that with the broken link. Put those two together so we can use this chain.
That should work.
I'm a genius. I'm a genius. Operate the crane. Look inside. Close this first. Look inside the casket. Open it. Who do we see? Dead babies. A keyhole. Oh, there's indentations. Oh, here we go. Put that there. I figured we were going to have to do this eventually, so. Alright, go to the crank. Cut that bad boy open and see what's inside. It's probably a key. I'm so smart, guys. Alright. Take the key. Take the key. Take the key, the key, the key. Small key. Ma or M-A. There's a big difference between that. Okay. Why don't you think about it? Okay. So it's a ma. She thinks it actually says mom. Okay. Or ma. Excuse me. Alright. Let's go see. Hello. Hey, you're that little kid.
Do you see?
Yeah?
I don't want to see.
Okay.
Do you see?
I just realized this, because I don't remember seeing his portrait before, but I'm looking at his portrait now. I don't know if Kathy's hair is naturally black or if she dyed. Obviously, the red streaks in the back are dyed, but I'm not sure she has naturally black hair, and I don't know what her dad looks like. I only know what her mom looks like. She has a blonde hair, but I don't know if her dad had dark hair. No, we did see her dad, his dark hair. He has green eyes like her. And we saw way, way back when what was very, very likely in abortion. Or Kathy trying to get one. I'm wondering if this is her kid. Gosh, we got some FMA weirdness in here. Okay, let's keep going.
Yes, kid, I see.
Who was right? Who was right? Oh gosh, I didn't want to be right, but I was right. I called it.
Do you know who I am now?
Oh.
I don't like this. I want to go home. You'll never go home. We won't let you. When you threw me away, this place took me in, nurtured me. Do you regret what you did?
Oh gosh. Oh geez, there's a lot more answers here. No, I don't. I've done nothing wrong. I just feel sadness. It took away a part of me, eliminating a possible future. Part of me does. I wish things could have been different. I just couldn't repeat the mistake my parents made. I don't know. Oh! Wow. For most of this game, you haven't had a lot of choices in how you have Kathy do things. Most of it has been very much like, whether you choose to talk about something or not. And unfortunately, I think I've chosen times to not mention things when I really should have, and I really regret that. But otherwise, you basically have very similar decisions. This is the one part where you have to justify why you would do this. Whew. That's a rough one, buddy. This is a rough. So you can either go the route of, I didn't do anything wrong, it's my right to do it, completely. Feel sadness, it took away part of me, eliminating a possible future. Part of me does for things would be different, I just couldn't repeat, I don't know. I feel like it's gonna say a lot about me, about which choice I make on this very deep, difficult topic, so... Yeah. Oh. Hello, ghost lady. What? What the heck?
The heart must be pure.
We're gonna stop right there, folks. Thank you all for watching. That was a little bit of a mind screw there. Okay, thank you all for watching. I already said that. Peace, joy, love, and koi, everybody.